Heck yeah, let's go. Connect. I don't know if you're like me, but when you see a hole in the fence with a little path, do you say, heck yeah, let's go? Let's go. Some thistle. Nice. Pretty sure that's milkweed. Melly man. Ooh. Just want to say in Ontario, there's a Trespass to Property Act and you are not allowed to be on the railway tracks. Just saying. Is that a house? Interesting. Oh, it's a cemetery. There's a cemetery over there. Oh. Let's say we visit the cemetery on one day. Bet you that's really, really old. All right, we're gonna go make our way back. Just want to see if there's anything here. Oh, I think I'm gonna take those. Right on. I think I'll take those. Thank you. Lots of spikes here. Lots of spikes. I have no idea what these things are, but let's grab them. Here's our souvenirs. 2 spikes and some sort of a coupler. All right, let's get back. Watch me fall. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. All right. You know, sometimes while we're metal detecting, we get so focused and zeroed in on what we're doing that we don't see the whole picture and we miss a lot of things that nature has to offer. Bob Marley once said, "Some people feel the rain, others just get wet." I am challenging you to feel the rain. Until next time, remember to keep it real, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.